5 seconds to go. Start. The appellant is the complainant victim prosecutrix. She has filed this appeal assailing the correctness of the judgment and order dated 25th August 2021 passed by the Rajasthan High Court bench at Jaipur in SB Criminal Miscellaneous Bail Application number 6394 of 2021, whereby the High Court allowed the application for the relief of anticipatory bail under section 438 CRPC in FIR number 161 of 2020, Police Station Jaipur, under sections 323, 341, 354, 379 and 376 IPC. As the present case relates to an order granting anticipatory bail, we are concisely referring to the facts and the arguments in brief, so that none of the parties are prejudiced or the trial court would be influenced by any of the observations which may be made by us in this order. The prosecution story in brief is that sometimes in 2018, when the respondent number 2 was posted as a station house officer Mahila Thana, Junjunu, the sister of the appellant had made a complaint against her in-laws at the same police station. The respondent number 2 had kept with himself the bank passbook, marriage registration certificate, marriage photographs, Aadhaar card and birth certificate relating to her sister, and had told her to collect the same later. On 25th September 2018, when the appellant was called to collect the papers from the respondent number 2, and upon her reaching Junjunu, she was informed that papers may be collected from his official residence, where she had to compulsorily go, as she had to return to Jaipur on the same day. At the residence, the respondent number 2 offered buttermilk to the appellant, which she claims to have innocently consumed, but apparently the same was laced with drugs, resulting into the appellant losing her consciousness. When she regained consciousness, she found herself in a very awkward situation and immediately realized that she had been exploited by the respondent number 2. The respondent number 2 is said to have threatened her that he has made videos and clicked photographs in obscene and objectionable conditions on his mobile, and if she did not continue to accede to his demands and commands, he would make everything public. The exploitation of the appellant is said to have continued for almost 2 years. In May 2020, respondent number 2 came to her residence, where she resides with her husband and children. He forcibly took her in his jeep to some unknown place, physically assaulted her, snatched away her mobile, then after driving to various places, at some point his wife and children arrived, and they also assaulted her, as a result of which she became unconscious. She was saved by the patrolling vehicle of the police department, whereafter she lodged the FIR number 161 of 2020 on 1st June 2020 for the offences punishable under sections 376, 323, 341, 354 and 379 IPC at the police station Jaipur. Stop.